This is our trip to Whitey's Fish Camp. We had a quick stop here at poor Marcia. She had 2 bees down her shirt.
She was 17 and she was far from in between. It was summertime in northern Michigan.
Alright, we're in Orange Park. We're at Whitey's Fish Camp. And this is a pretty neat place to come visit. Good place to eat and just cool checking the deck out back and sitting by the water. Where are we?
Whitey's Fish Camp.
But man, I never will forget the way the moonlight shined upon her hair. And we were trying different things, and we were smoking funny things, making love out by the lake to our favorite song. Sipping whiskey out the bottle, not thinking about tomorrow, singing Sweet Home Alabama all summer long. Singing Sweet Home Alabama all summer long. Catching walleye from the dock, watching the waves roll off the rocks. She'll forever hold a spot inside my soul. We'd missed her in the sun, we couldn't wait for night to come to hit that sand and play some rock and roll. While we were trying different things, and we were smoking funny things, making love out by the lake to our favorite song. Sipping whiskey.
Marcia does a lot of reading, and we stopped at this church here because in the graveyard a lot of characters in the book she's reading are buried here.
Singing Sweet Home Alabama all summer long.
St. Augustine Harley-Davidson. I will always think of the former owner, Mrs. Hollingsworth. And I got a chance to speak with her some. I found out later from Harold she was one of the first lady racers for Harley-Davidson. Anyway, I remember talking to her and asking her if she still rode her motorcycles, and she looked at me, looked offended. I think if I sat closer she would have slapped me. What a cool lady.
Now nothing seems as strange as when the leaves begin to change. Oh, how we thought those days would never end. Sometimes I hear that song and I'll start to sing along and think, man, I'd love to see that girl again. Man, I'd like to see that girl again. And we were trying different things, and we were smoking funny things, making love out by the lake to our favorite song. Sipping whiskey out the bottle, not thinking about tomorrow, singing Sweet Home Alabama all summer long. We were trying different things, and we were smoking funny things, making love out by the lake to our favorite song. Sipping whiskey out the bottle, not thinking about tomorrow, singing Sweet Home Alabama all summer long. Singing Sweet Home Alabama all summer long. Singing Sweet Home Alabama all summer long. Singing Sweet Home Alabama all summer long.